Okay. Recording for science. Saan maganda ilagay ito? Siguro ito yung wall natin. Ay, nakuha ka.
No, you're good.
Good enough.
Ano gawa ng
One,
rack?
two.
Ano ng rack?
Tatlong
Trying?
slabs.
Hold on. Actually. Oh, okay. Easy.
Grow trees. Grow. We need 8 racks. So may 3 na tayo. Yo.
Tabi.
And kailangan natin acorns. And then we make stone tree. Wala niya sabi.
One down.
Uy! Nice.
One down.
Ito may isa pa ako. Dalawa. Boom, boom. Isa pa. Boom.
Watch this. Bang, bang.
Dami ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sige, dami natin.
Kulang isa. That's annoying.
Kinulong.
Chill! Oh my god. Dude, we're creating a forest.
Hindi mo maganda yun? What's happening?
Team trees! Oh my god.
Ayun na, kompleto na.
Team trees!
Pre, susunod
We're
yung...
once team C's, now we're team trees, pre. We are taking over Mr. Beast's career.
Mr. Beast, you gotta head out, pre.
You better watch out.
Oh no, nagugutom na rin
Gusto
ako.
mo ng hook? I have another hook.
I'm good. I think kailangan ko expand.
Oh my god! 4 stone!
May stone na tayo? Oh my god, pwede na tayo mag-craft ng stone.
How do you make stone?
Or petrified. Ang nakita ko is... Wait lang, ako craft ko. Surrounded
Petrified amber?
ito.
Oh, we need petrified
Ay,
resin.
petrified sapling. What to obtain bone sapling? Clay sa... Fuck.
Oh, wait, no. We get it. I get it. Teka.
Oh! Di ba may mga bone meal ka? Ito.
Yeah.
Ito ang isa. I-surround mo ng bone
Yeah,
meal.
I'm gonna make bone meal.
Wiki. Pero how do you make clay?
I'm gonna make bone meal. Okay.
Sand. Gravel.
Yo, do you have more acorns?
No.
Oh, never mind. This is perfect.
No, isirain ko lang muna to.
Sige.
Okay, huwag muna shift. Isirain muna natin lahat ng leaves.
We need a fresh cut.
We need it shaved, pre.
Nag-grow mag-isa.
Okay. Hindi, tama. Sakto lang.
Yeah. Okay, so now we make our kailangan natin divide. One area for dirt, one area for stone.
Hindi, huwag muna tayo sa dirt. I think okay na tayo sa dirt. For now.
Focus on stone.
Yeah?
Okay.
Unless magbibigay ito ng ano.
It gives acorn.
Bone meal na ano. No, nasira yung axe ko. Can you repair this?
I just wanna touch you, squeeze you.
The fuck? Ah, bye. Okay. Pickaxe. Axe.
We need a pickaxe for this?
Hindi, may ginagawa lang
Nope.
ako.
No!
Shovel. Boom.
No!
Combine. Ano ba?
Oh, yun na multi-tool?
Yeah. Nakita ko eh.
Wait! Me too! Me too! Gama ko. Here.
Let's go. Eto.
Oh, thank you. Gusto mo na chop down ko na yung ano, stone?
Yeah, tignan natin kung ano yung makukuha natin. What? Kailangan ko i-recraft yung axe.
Wait, meron din ba to yung ano, yung harvester, yung hook?
Hold on. Crafting ako rito. Pero ano ba? Meron. Stone crook.
Yeah, yung ano, multi-tool?
Multi-tool?
Or is it lang yung base?
Not sure. Pack set.
Okay, so we don't need to use...
Oh,
We don't need to dry
may platinum pack
acorns
cell.
anymore.
May platinum. Okay, siguro gawin nga natin yung half-half natin to.
Yeah. I'm gonna make more dirt.
Okay. Ito, acorn.
Ilan kailangan mong dirt? How many?
Oh, so gawin
Here's
natin itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more.
On it, boss.
Thanks, man. How do we... Clay. Ay, gusto ko malaman.
Do you have acorn? Give me acorn.
I have 4. Oh, nalaglag.
Oops.
Clay sapling. Ano yun eh?
Okay, I can't make 5, but I can't make a cup.
How do you make clay acorn?
We need
Petrified.
bricks.
To.
We don't need bricks, I'm lying.
How do you petrify a resin?
Okay, I have 4.
Awesome.
Saan mo lagay? Ikaw, you do it.
Sige daw. Pre, I'm having a brain blast. Teka. Hinuhulaan kung paano mag-craft ng ano. Clay sapling?
Oh! Easy! Easy, easy,
Hmm.
easy, easy,
Yung clay?
easy. Yeah, easy.
Ba't ano kailangan?
Give me a sapling. Actually, never mind. Here, then, bang.
Wait, petrified acorn ba ginamit mo?
No. Petrified resin.
Paano mo na petrifying resin?
The petrified tree.
Oh, sila pala nagda-drop. Okay.
Yes. It's like the same as dirt.
Okay.
Okay, so, this area na to, let me move this. Area na to, in the middle, clay, stone, dirt.
Okay, good. Go it. Go it, boss.
Oh. Augers.
Bilis ah.
Go, brain blast. Oh my god.
Oh, yun yung Paxel. Maabot siya platinum.
Ano?
Hanggang platinum yung Paxel.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Nagda-drop siya bone meal.
Shit.
No, I'm lying. Kagina ka pa sa akin to.
Never.
I remembered.
Okay. May petrified sapling pa. Oh! Meron ng ano? Clay.
Play!
What
Need
do
to make stone tools.
we need a slot in the bucket. Kailangan ng bucket.
We
How do you
need
make-
slop and bucket?
Wait lang. Kailangan natin ng clay bucket. How do we
Oh,
make
easy.
clay?
We can make clay. By making clay blocks. Easy.
Oh shit, tama na. Clay acorn and ano? Clay resins.
The second sapling has hit the tower. There you go.
Okay.
No. Wait, so we need to gumawa ng stone, we need to water the petrified
Hold on.
block para magawa tayo stone stool.
Yung... Kailangan mo natin ng actual clay muna.
Oh, and then okay, combine natin to make stone.
Wait, how do you make gravel though?
We need gravel?
Yeah, make gravel na sapling. And then may bone. And then meron na tayong bone. Ang kailangan natin is gravel. Sapling. Gravel. We need gravel acorn. How do you make gravel acorn? Oh! Okay. Okay. Hello?
How do you make gravel acorn?
Gagamitin natin yung barrels.
Oh,
Hold on.
and then you bounce on it?
I-place down mo. Ayun! Ayun! Gravel! We got gravel! Tapos kailangan ng petrified sapling para makagawa na ng gravel tree. We need to expand. Ito pa gravel acorn.
Okay, okay. Okay, I got it. I got it.
So expand to needed.
I made two.
Okay.
Here.
Kailangan natin ng dirt.
Okay. Okay. So harvest natin to, I need a bunch of acorns. Kasi I have no acorns.
Sige, expand ko lang to.
Yeah, expand mo yung platform. Harvest ko muna lahat ng ng dirt.
Boom. Expanding.
This is like Factoria, but if Factoria was fun.
Oo, masaya naman yung factory. Oh.
Ay, hindi ko ma-handle yung Factoria.
Maybe, kailangan mo lang ng kasama, pre. Brainstorming, gano'n. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Meron dito isa. 1, 2, 3. Expand ko pa nga.
Oh, we need dirt here. So I need a total of 4 dirt.
Yep. And then, magiging extra more.
Honestly, intentional mo ba ginawang half slab to?
Para wala mag-spawn ng mobs.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you did it intentionally.
And we're broke.
And we have nothing. We don't need mobs, pre.
Tsaka malang wooden plank eh.
Okay, dude, I think we have a problem.
Ano yun?
Masyadong close yung mga trees, tas yung leaves, nag-spawn with each other.
Hindi siya close actually. Sakto na to
Kinain
eh.
lang ng... Are you sure?
Should I? I mean, pwede naman natin usap. It doesn't hurt. to
Like
move.
just one block. Something like that.
Sige. Putulin muna natin. I-clear out natin lahat muna.
Kala ko I thought I lost the dirt. Dirt is so important. Dude, pag nagano tayo, yung Skyblock, who is making the lava generator? Not me.
Ako na lang. I still
That's
remember.
for sure.
I think.
I remember. I don't trust myself. Ay lang yung problema.
Nakamali pa rin.
I was like, guys, I know how to do this. Trust me. How can I trust myself? How can I trust myself? Because I even trust. Okay, there you go.
Pinaputol ko lahat
Give me
muna
all
ng-
your acorns.
All done.
Yung dirt one is if you have.
I have one.
Alright. Okay, here's two. I just wanna touch you, squeeze you, do. We need a chest.
Do we?
For organization.
Okay.
Right, it's 1.12. You cannot put them near together.
Bawal ba?
Yeah. Pag mayroon kang big chest,
Wala mo yun
you cannot put a chest next to it.
Parang mas lumang version ba yun? Ha? May offhand to ah.
Then why can't I put bro in here?
Maybe ilagay mo sa floor muna.
I did.
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Butas.
That's too much wood.
Two, three, four. Kailangan natin full potential nila. 3, 4.
Okay, so idea, go brain blast.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on.
Para hindi tayo malito, I'm gonna do each tier. Okay. Yan. Sa pinakababa is where the dirt stuff.
Sige.
And then, by tier. Baba sa over here, dirt stuff. Dito petrified. And then clay. Tapos sa pinakataas ay gravel.
Got it. Petrified, clay. I think kailangan ko pa to expand.
Ito saplings.
Ito may gravel.
Now we gotta focus on dirt.
No, petrified. Ito yung gravel.
Gravel?
Kulo tayong. Yeah, farm muna
Do
tayo.
you want me to make gravel? I can make gravel.
Dirt muna tayo.
No, dirt. I mean gravel saplings. I can make a gravel sapling.
No, I mean dirt block. We need dirt block.
Okay. I need all the acorns. Cause I'm good na ako sa resin. I just need acorns. Oh my god, my pixel is dead.
Huh? Ayaw ano.
Ano yung position ng pixel?
I don't know. Axel. Pickaxe nasa gitna. Left yung nasa axe. Right yung nasa shovel.
Oh, you need a you need a stick.
Yeah. One, two, three, four.
Spit your fireworks. DMCA. Your video's gone.
It's over. Wala na.
It's over. Delete the VOD.
Okay.
Donut sapling?
Huh? Do.
Oh, sige.
Du- du-
Go. Prosperity, osmonium, arderite, cotton,
Man, dapat. Okay, for
Coal?
sure magiging automatic yan.
wood essence, wood seeds. Inferium?
Huwag mo na siya titignan. Baka mas makatulong mo.
What the fuck? Give me all your acorns.
Hold on, craft launcher. Kukunin ko na to, achievement na to. It's gonna bother me. It's gonna...
What is yung dirt?
Yeah, dirt achievement. Yung. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saan yung
That's
gravel?
for
Gravel.
gravel.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, meron na.
Yay! Okay.
Nag-celebrate
Ang short-lived naman ng ano celebration na yun.
lang. Biglang lumaki sa harapan ka. Okay, thanks.
Okay, give me all the acorns.
2,
Para
8, 9.
not all the dirt.
Oh. Ayun lang.
Okay. I'm gonna put them sa chest.
What if you made a sign?
Tama! I forgot hindi yun modded.
Yan, nasa game yun. Di ba to? Yung gravel na sa taas. Okay, meron na tayong gravel acorn. What do we need for gravel acorn? We can make gravel, pre. Oh my god.
Oh my god. For stone!
Gravel, and then what do we need? Do we need something? We can dehydrate dirt to make gravel.
We could have done that?
Yung grindstone. May kabayan na lang na PNG na naglalakad.
Where?
Cute naman.
Wait, let me see.
Mo.
Stone? Let me see.
Check mo yan.
Ano to?
Tapos, try mo...
Which one?
Ano pang button yan? Press mo R. Yung gravel acorn. Hover mo, tapos press mo R. And then,
Uh-huh.
left click mo ulit yung, hindi, right click mo yung acorn. And then, punta ka sa grindstone. May kabayo lang na may ikot. Ayun lang.
I guess that's one way to not make the menu boring. So
Maybe,
you could have done this.
try mo nga actually. Maybe, ibang 1 minute yan madalas eh.
Or wait, ano tong tub of what? Crushing
Rustic.
tub. Oops.
Crushing tab? Rustic. Oh shit, we need,
I forgot.
actually we need, ano? Wait. How do you make clay? Clay. Boom, 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 pow, pow. Bing, bang, bang, bang. That's clay. Now what?
What does clay do?
Bucket. Oh my god. Hold on.
Right, pre.
And then uncraft clay into normal clay. And then, boom! Clay bucket. Ano mo kailangan natin sa clay? Bakit? We need a cauldron.
Wait, let me.
How do you make a cauldron?
Can I have the achievement?
Ah, eto. How do you spell cauldron? Ayun. No, that's
You're asking me?
Yeah, my bad.
We need iron.
Boom! Cauldron.
Never mind. You need water.
Boom! Sorry,
We
nakuha.
need to fill it up.
Nakuha mo yan, ano? Bakit?
No.
Saan napunta? Saan napunta? Let's make more. I understand
Okay.
it now, pre. It's okay.
Dude, this is what I've been experiencing sa raft. Yung putik na ano ko,
Yung tubig mo.
nawawala.
Ayaw na. Craft na lang ulit. Maybe natunaw sa tubig. Maybe nag-dissolve.
Wait lang nga, baby.
Okay. Oh, basa ka na ulit. What? Bone sap. Kidding. Oh shit. Let me go. Oh, we're crushing dirt. Okay. Play. And fire. Dirt apron. How do you cook dirt? Dirt apron. Fuck. Okay. Bone sapling. We need the bones. And the dirt.
Why are we not making cobblestone?
There's a process, pre. There.
We can make one now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Paano i-craft? Cobblestone. What do we need to make cobblestone? Oh, petrified. Ah, that's stupid. Yun na pala yun.
Here.
Thanks, pre. Craft na ako ng axe dito. Oh, wait. Bago ako mag-craft ng axe. May kailangan ko ba dito? Okay. Time to make stone axe.
Oh my god, I almost fell off the map.
How?
Kasi tinatry ko ba to yung ano ko? Hook. Pero I almost overextended.
Muntik mo naman ba ito sarili mo?
Tapos sasama ako.
Alamin ko na tayong puno. Bone meal tree.
Dude. I mean, we need more dirt muna.
Kaya nga, yun.
Dude, ang weird. I felt my stomach fall. Malapit na akong mahulog.
Hindi, ayoko yung feeling na yun. Naiinis ako.
It's so bad.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ang galing Infern. That's annoying. Dirt.
Wait lang. Oh no, pre, we're getting hungry. I'm gonna start eating the acorns.
Oh, kinain ko na yung bread. Diba may bread? May nakuha ka bang bread?
Meron, but like, that's our only resource of food.
I ate it.
We're gonna die!
Pre, we can cook dirt acorn. Nakita mo?
Yeah, for half a bar?
Dagdag na yun.
It's more than that. Okay, more area for the gravel.
Yung.
Okay. It's over.
Nangyari sa'yo?
Wait, we're chill! They thought of everything!
Nalaglag ka ba?
Oh my god. Yes. Kasi nag-lag. Alam mo yun, naglapag ka ng ano, tapos biglang nawala.
Oo.
Ganun nangyari. So I went forward.
Nagtaka ako na sinabi mo it's over. Tingin ako na wala ka sa screen ko.
Ilang virulent.
Sand. How do you make sand? Sand. Sand acorn. How do you get by crushing gravel acorn? And then it turns into sand. Probably. What the heck? No way. Okay.
Ako curious ako. What can we do with the crushing tub?
Madami pa eh. We can make sand kapag kinrush natin eh. Gravel acorn.
Ah.
Pero yung tubig, hindi ko lang kung pwede gawin.
I think kailangan mo punuin to Bago ka kumuha ng ano, ng para sa clay.
Kasi yung clay bucket, para siyang ano eh. Maybe we need the furnace and then cook the bucket para maging ano, para maging brick siya.
No?
Oh my god.
Bakit?
Brain blast, pre.
Oh my god, we do!
Brain blast. Mamaya na yung
Okay.
Age of Enchantment. Bahala na yan.
Wait, can you kill me? Para full health ako.
Sa gitna ka. Baka lumipad na items mo eh. Oh, keep inventory pala.
May susi ako. Uh-oh.
Is it above?
It's below.
It's below. Oh my god, nasakto mo yun? Wait lang. Okay. What if... Okay. Magda-drop ka. Tapos mag-place down ka ng block sa ilalim. Oh. Ayun, magte-teleport ka naman pala.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be half a heart ulit.
Okay.
Wait,
Tayo ka
wait, wait.
dito, tayo ka
wait.
dito, tayo ka dito.
Yeah, I was about to say. I have blocks. Kadoosh. Thank you.
Sick na nature, may fog effect. So,
Yeah, may susi rin.
so gloomy. Oh, may animation pala yun. Pero you're shining.
I have an hour.
Nangyari.
How do I unlock this? Whoa. Wow.
Wow.
Wait,
Oh, nawala.
look.
Bakit?
Hindi gumagana. Okay.
Ilan yung saplings? No, na sapling. Ilan yung bone meal natin?
Look.
Ano yan? Oh, ulo mo. Yan na Steve. Oh. Oh, nandito pa rin yung mod na yun.
Wait. Huh?
False hope.
Oh my god.
Ayan. Oh my.
Wait, visit.
Ang laki ng ngiti ko nung nagulat ako eh.
Really? Oh my goodness. Popo.
Nice. Total
Okay, this-
A4.
Don't chest na to, it's just for useless stuff.
Nike.
Okay. Ano ko i-open yung waypoints dito?
B.
P?
B. Letter B. B.
Oh,
B.
I mean like, tanggalin yung
Bunnies.
waypoint ko.
Hindi ko alam. Ilan yung,
There's a button for this.
ilan yung bone meal mo?
12. 2. 12?
Huh? Dami mo naman. Okay. That's 2. Meron na akong 7.
This is so annoying. I need to remove that. But like, I can't open the thing. The menu.
Oh, punta ka naman sa controls, tapos i-search mo yung mod name. Meron naman search button pala eh. Well, kung matanda ba yung mod name. Nope.
What is prestige?
I don't know. Naririnig mo ba yung manok?
Yeah.
3 o'clock na eh. Oh, I got 9.
Control B. Okay. No!
Ba't yung may narrate? Rinig na rinig yun ah.
Why is the Damn!
Pero don't
Crazy
look.
na to. Like shit.
Nakakainis naman. Okay. Bone meal 3. Or sapling. I need petrified. That's clay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Iingin naman ang manok. Okay. Bone meal. I mean bone sapling. It's raining. It's raining.
Yay! Yay!
Parang may nangyayari eh. Meron nga eh.
We
Tubig sa
don't know,
cauldron.
pre. How do I turn off the dude, it's base Minecraft. I can change that. Ew, ano to? Why is this poopy brown?
Oh, ay. Oopsie.
Okay. So that's the sound I was hearing.
Cotton. How did it cotton?
Do you have
Super-
better fight stuff?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna start harvesting better fight. I'm
Gumawa
gonna
na,
make a furnace.
gumawa na ako ng bone sapling.
Do you need dirt?
Nah. Pinagdikit ko na sa gravel.
For now.
For
I'm
now,
gonna make dirt. I
fino-focus
can
ko
make
muna yung
one.
craft. I think wag mo na muna.
I'm making one.
Oh shit, it drops bone wool. Who could have known? Who could have known?
Not me! Oh my god. Here's one dirt for your bone.
Thank you.
I dropped it.
There. Okay, umigot lang ako. Okay, wooden floor.
Give me your goddamn acorns. Oh my goddamn.
Damn. Okay, para sa naman tong bone acorn? Bone block. Really? Bone block. What do we do with bone block?
We need to learn how to make coal. I wanna say we don't need coal. We can make charcoal. Does charcoal exist in this version? Yes, right.
Yep. Pero sayang.
Bakit?
Craft na natin rin. Oh shit, nakuha akong flint.
Innovation.
I got a
Oh, we need
flint
flint for something.
from the gravel tree. Who could have known?
Couldn't know. Okay, I'm gonna make. Yeah, mama.
Okay.
Fortnite gift card. Who was it?
Kamusta kay lalaki na yun?
Living life.
Damn. So wise.
If I remember that guy almost became homeless.
Nangyari.
I don't remember. think just like Acorn just needs money. Either that or something like medical or I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't know. Tagal na.
You
I don't
don't need to
know.
remember, pre. You don't need to. I'm not forcing you, pre.
But how will you know? How will you know what Fortnite gift card happened, bro? The lore. Damn.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, sand
Harsh.
acorn. What do I do with sand acorn? I need petrified.
Let's consult the book.
Kailangan ng petrified to make sand. Sapling. Boom,
Do
meron
you
na
want?
ako.
Okay, here. Pare. I'm
Ito,
gonna make another
achievements.
chest. Give me. Yep. Alright. And then I'm gonna make more dirt.
And then I'm gonna learn this tree. How do you make cotton? Cotton. How the fuck do you make jungle sapling?
Dude, we need birch wood for coal.
Wait. Ito na eh. Okay. We need that furnace
I'm on it.
to make bucket.
Uh-huh.
And then yung bucket na yan, lalagay sa cauldron. And then put dirt on it. And then maglalagay tayo ng petrified sapling to make jungle sapling.
Uh,
And then transform that jungle sapling to a cotton sapling. Ayun ba? Oo nga, ayun nga. Okay. Okay, okay.
bulletin. Bookmark. Bookmark ko to.
Kailangan natin ng blackboard dito.
We do. We do. Is that like a mod?
We need immersion.
Blackboard.
Walang blackboard.
There's no blackboard.
Blackboard. Wala.
But my sheep.
Ba?
Search mo black. Sino mo sa pinakababa?
Kita ko nga eh. Muted? Peaceful?
That's not a blackboard.
Wala mo ng peaceful black sheep. Teka mo ng 4 na nether star.
Nether star? For
Sige.
sheep?
Tignan mo.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Pre,
Bakit?
don't get too excited.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Asa na siya? Bing. Pow. It's working! It's working!
Yes!
Ayun na, clay.
Oh
Boom!
my god!
Boom!
Boom!
Kompleto na tayo. And then dirt, mud, petrified. Yung isang petrified sapling. Petrified. Ito po. Paano ba to? Wait. Hold on. Nawala ako. Thank you. Jungle sapling. How do you make one? I need mud sa cauldron. This is mud water. Wala akong place ah. Okay. Huh? Oh,
What's the issue?
clay sapling. Oops, hindi pala petrified. Jungle
Don't waste
sapling.
the cauldron.
Meron akong jungle sapling.
Yes.
And we need cotton. How do you make cotton? do we make cotton? How?
Can you make a wooden hook?
Yeah, pwede.
Tawag doon ulit?
Crook?
I mean, not wooden pulpo.
Stone crook? Teka lang, I'm racking my brains. How do you make
We can,
vines?
okay.
How do you make nature of essence? What? What do you mean, huh? It's mystical.
Or the mystical tree or whatever. Yeah, mystical tree.
Fuck! How? How do we make cotton? Book. Saan to connected? Connected to sa bone tsaka sa clay. Tsaka connected to sa cauldron. Do we need something sa bone? Oh my god.
I don't think we can do cotton yet.
Pre. We can make bonsai.
Bonsai tree?
Para siya magiging... Hindi ko na kung automatic to. Pero, ang nakita ko, para siya may timer and then we just gotta collect it.
Oh, I remember.
Wait, I'm cooking.
But we need a hopper. Oh no,
Wait lang. Let me cook. I'm making bonsai pot right now.
we need clay. We need sand.
Meron ako. I'm making one right now. Actually, plant ko nga tong junk. Hindi, mamaya ako na plant.
I'm making more dirt for you.
Thank you, pre. Okay, isang brick
They call me
na
the
lang.
dirt master the way I dirt.
Damn. Bars, pre.
Whatever that means.
Bonsai.
Here, 3 dirt.
Bonsai!
Bonsai! Bangka. Okay, here. 3 dirt for your 3 saplings.
Thank you, pre. Saan ba nakuha yun?
Yun.
Ano to eh, achievement.
Throw mo lang sa akin. I want achievements.
Asa ka? Ito?
I want to make more cobble. Thank you. Bonsai.
Bonsai.
Meron bang achievement sa mud?
Meron... No. Wala.
Damn it, I lost all my levels. Give me all your petrified acorns. Kung meron ka. Because I wanna make more cobble and then so that we can start a cobble.
Pre! Tingnan mo to!
Oh yeah, I remember. I'm seeing visions.
Oh my god. Wait lang. Do we just... wait. No
Yeah.
shot.
That's the automatic harvester.
It's automatic. What the fuck? I-right click mo lang siya. And then we need to make more. Oh my god.
Yep.
We don't need this big area pala.
How many does it give you though?
Kompleto. Hold on. Binigyan na rin ako ng wood. Try mo. Right click mo. Pag 100% lang.
Right click?
Yeah.
I can't.
Right click mo axe. With an axe.
Oh. Oh, normal axe?
Try. Actually, paano ko ba siya na harvest? Hawak ko yung ano ko eh. Stone axe ko eh. Kompleto.
Walang sapling. Oh, ito. It just gives you 1 acorn though.
Pero automatic.
Wala siyang resin.
Wala rin ba? Hindi meron. May nakuha kong sand resin. Isa lang.
Me. Teka.
Oh, it's semi-automat. Hindi naman semi.
Okay, so it's a random chance.
Ah.
Honestly, okay. So, we can make this, marlit siyang we can make like a small area for this and then like keep this kasi I
Okay,
feel
keep
like
rin natin.
mas matagal pa to, you know? Kasi random chance ka lang magkakaroon ng resin or like, you know.
Got it, got it. Keep rin
And
natin.
plus, I feel like you get more acorns in sa resin doing this.
Sige.
Give me all your petrified acorns.
I have bone and sand. Gusto mo? Oo.
Okay, so what do we have? Ano ginawa mo muna first? Bone, right? Okay, this is gonna be the bone. It's gonna be the bone one.
And then sunod is
Here,
sand.
this chest. This chest bone and then the gagawa sa sand chest.
What if so the ano? Kasi marami sila. Isip ko like what if isang sapling, isang resin, tas isang acorn. Sama-sama sila lahat.
Okay, so sapling chest acorn, yeah?
Ganun na lang kaya. Or
Okay.
Okay.
We can do that. You think that's gonna get confusing?
Keep muna natin. Pag dumami na, siguro palitan na natin.
Yeah. For now, like baby steps.
Becoming a grown people, bro. We're growing.
We are developing a brainstem.
Sugoi! Okay.
There you go. Yes! 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 Yes!
Sarap pati it's brick ko dito. May kinuha ka bang bricks?
It's here, it's here. Sa clay chest.
Okay. Siguro gawa kong petrified na bonsai. Pang ano daw?
We can, yeah. Let's make everything.
Yeah.
Peaceful, tahimik.
Kaya pala tayo Shit, 3:20 na pala. Free ka ba bukas?
No, may pasok ako.
What day ka free ulit?
Monday?
Gusto mo Monday na lang?
Teka. No, Tuesday.
Sige, Tuesday.
Actually, kaya ko Monday pag gumising ang maaga. Kasi closing naman ako eh. I go to work at 2:30.
Sige, sige.
Yes. Wow.
Oh, pinakuha kong petrified leaves. What the fuck?
Leaves?
Tayo na.
Oh, okay.
It's growing.
Our empire.
Ang weird. Nag-start na tayo sa isang puno, tapos gumawa natin ng forest.
Yeah. Can I have the bone? I mean the dirt.
I have
Actually,
wood.
mamaya na. You do this.
Okay.
You're the one who organized the trees.
Okay. Okay na muna kayo ata. 3:20 na eh.
Oh, I get it. Nakukuha mo yung ano, yung leaves sa auto harvester.
Siguro, pagtapos nito, excited daw sa iron para automatic na to.
Iron tree?
May iron tree ba?
How do you make iron?
Meron nga. Iron sapling. What the fuck?
Okay, wait.
Ironwood sapling. How do you make it? Oh, it's tradable. Wait. Kaya na ba
What?
i-trade?
Oh my god, it's the thing!
Spruce.
Tinkers!
No?
It's tinkers!
Hindi ko pa naririnig yung mod na yun eh.
You know, like yung sa mga ano, mag-nerd ka ng mga mod packs, they always have this big, parang cauldron na you put like, may red parang water or blood sa loob. And they can make molds, like armors and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's tinkers. Yung
Ano?
malaking parang oh my god, we need to do tinkers.
That's
Do you
for
see this
next.
church with tinkers? Do you see this bullshit? Ah! Okay.
Dami. Okay na to, Soda.
Okay.
Hirap.
Yay!
Sa
Progress. We got how many trees?
Petrified,
6 trees.
dirt, gravel, bone, sand. 5 pa lang ata. Clay, 6. Tama. Clay.
Yeah, 5, 6.
Okay. Oh
My
my
days.
lord. Oh my god.
Oh my lord.